Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you step by step how you can create a checklist using Google Forms. So let us get started. Alright guys, so let me navigate back to the home screen here of Google Forms and start a new blank form. So there are several ways how you can customize and edit your form. You may turn it into a poll, into a questionnaire, or also into a checklist. So let me start with the title. Let us name it checklist. Just for the sake of the tutorial, checklist 1. And after that, click into your first question below. And here to the right, guys, you can select a question or a poll or form type, which is in this case your multiple choice, but you can click into the drop-down menu and select one of these options. So let us go with checkboxes. And that is going to add these checkboxes here. So start with the question, like, I don't know, to-do list if you're doing this for your team or for a project, and start adding items or options. Option number 1 or task number 1, for instance. Then we got option number 2, task number 2, excuse the typo here, task number 3, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, that's how it works. That's one option how we can do this. Let me just add item number 4. That's one option how you can do this. Option number 2 would be to simply head over to your form's description here below the title and to select a numbered list. And you can do that as well. And for example, customize your numbered list, task A, task B, press enter, and so on and so forth, or you use a bulleted list. That's also an option. So guys, once you have published your to-do list or checklist, your poll participants will be able to select these options. And if you allow, for example, more replies, not only one, not limited to one reply, and simply mark these tasks from that checklist they have already completed. So it's like using a checklist, and you can do this here through Google Forms, guys. And that's how it works, and have a wonderful day.